Hi, Lions. Welcome to Spain. Welcome to International Championship in Valencia. So I'm going to show you what you need to do once you open your kayak for the tournament, okay? First of all, you need to open, this is the trolley. So you will find a little plastic bag. Then it comes with this. So we fix, first of all, we fix the trolley. Really easy. We've got one clip here and another clip there. Right. Then you open it and you put this one must be on the line on the front of the kayak. And you from the back. Tira, tira. There. And then with the strap, it comes with a kayak. Tag it. You just need to attach the front part of the frame. Go the other way. And then attach front again, sorry. Then pull. And that's it. Now you can move your kayak to any place, okay? Some of you will have a different type of trolley, which is really easy to do it. Just goes inside the scoop and plugs. It's like an H frame model, okay? You will see it's really simple to use. Okay, you will see a display of Garmin Striker 5 CD. Okay, you need to attach the display. Now that's a rain blaster system. Many of you know how it works. Just in case you don't, just clip it and then close it. Then you have the red and the black. The red is power. You see, you have different ways to do it. So please have a look to the pin you have there marked. Transducer is on the left hand side, and power it's on the right. Okay, but be careful on this because you can break the pins of the sonar if you don't fix it in the right way. Okay, now you have the battery and you have the charger too. That's the charger. It's a typical jack charger with CLI. So you need to connect your battery front. You have the battery there. Just clip it. Has a position as well. Just clip, and that's it. You can unclip with just half twist. Okay, leave it there. So the sonar will enjoy it now. It is I'll show you how to change the language. Okay, it's really easy. You go to configuración there, you go to system, you go to idioma and change it for English language. Okay, now it's in English. Okay, that's the moment to go with the pedal drive. You need to be sure that this is open. See the block, open block. Some of you maybe will have the other way around. So take care, have a look and see if it's that way or that way. This or this. Okay, so once it's open, just put the Mirage pedal drive up. And once it's down, You close one, and then you need to do a bit force that way to clip it. Okay, be sure that it's clipped. If you don't make some press here, you will not be able to close the clips here. Now, if you want to move the length for the fit, you can just press in the middle. You can go up to 7, and that way it's as well to 7. Mueve al final, Pablo. Okay. And now you have the system is just forward. Okay. You can clip your paddle there on the right side. Then here you will find rod holders. I'll show you how it's exactly the same as before with the sonar. Just put in the right angle you like. Go down and clip. You have two, one on the left, one on the right. Okay, on the middle hatch, you have some extra parts for the kayak, sponges, you have strings, you have some extra parts. But the most important thing here, it's inside this you have replacement clips. This is, if you don't follow the instructions, you could break these clips here. So it's really easy to change them. You have 4 screws inside. You take the screws off, you can change this part. Just in case someone have an issue, you can replace it. Then that's a live well bite. If you take the plug off, the water will be more or less in the middle of this. If you are using, well, I think it's not allowed to use live bait, but just in case, you know it. But if you close it, this will be totally dry all the time. Okay. You have this unit for the flag. Twist, and then you have the rail blast flag here. Please use it. Clip there, and you have your flag. For the seat, yes, here you can fix the way you like. The seats are fixed on this way, but you can move the back of it. Then if you need more length, you need to move here this. It's time for the rudder. The rudder is in the front hatch, so find there. Come here. It's really easy to attach, but I'll show you how to do it. Fix it, clip it, close it again. Then you pull, this comes up, then grab it there. Okay, one goes here, okay. Now you have the rudder fixed. The copper plugs, you can leave it in or off. For me it's better off. So this is the kayak you will use on the tournament. If you follow the instructions on the video, everything will work. So enjoy that. See you later soon. Bye.